Have you ever had one of those days where your brain feels like it's wrapped in fog? No matter how hard you try, you just can't focus. Your thoughts are sluggish, your memory feels fuzzy, and even simple decisions seem overwhelming. You might blame stress, lack of sleep, or just an off day. But what if the real culprit was hiding deep inside your gut? Scientists are uncovering a fascinating truth. The trillions of bacteria living in your digestive system don't just help you digest food. They might be pulling the strings on your mental clarity, mood, and even how sharp you feel every day. For a long time, we thought the brain was the undisputed boss of the body, sending commands while the rest of the systems just followed orders. But now, research is revealing something far more interesting. Your gut talks back. In fact, it might be one of the brain's most influential advisors. This two-way communication system is called the gut-brain axis, a complex network of nerves, hormones, and biochemical signals that constantly shuttle messages between your digestive system and your brain. And the messengers? Trillions of microbes, bacteria, viruses, and fungi that call your gut home. These microbes do more than just break down your food. They produce powerful chemicals that influence everything from your mood to your ability to think clearly. Take serotonin, for example. A neurotransmitter often called the happy chemical because it helps regulate mood, sleep, and even appetite. You might assume it's made mostly in the brain, but shockingly, about 90% of your body's serotonin is produced in the gut. If your gut bacteria are out of balance, it can throw off serotonin levels, leaving you feeling anxious, irritable, or mentally drained. But serotonin is just one piece of the puzzle. Your gut microbiome also helps control inflammation, a key player in brain health. When your gut is healthy, it keeps inflammation in check. But when harmful bacteria take over, thanks to a diet high in sugar, processed foods, or stress, the gut lining can become damaged, leading to what's often called leaky gut. This allows toxins and undigested food particles to escape into the bloodstream, triggering an immune response that can cause chronic inflammation. And since inflammation doesn't just stay in the gut, it can travel to the brain, contributing to brain fog, poor concentration, and even long-term issues like depression and anxiety. Ever notice how after a heavy meal of fast food or sugary snacks, you feel mentally sluggish? That's not just a sugar crash, it's your gut bacteria struggling to deal with the sudden influx of unhealthy fuel. Bad bacteria thrive on sugar and processed junk, crowding out the beneficial microbes that keep your brain sharp. On the other hand, a diet rich in fiber, fermented foods, and healthy fats feeds the good bacteria, helping them produce compounds that reduce inflammation and support cognitive function. So, what can you do to keep your gut, and by extension, your brain, functioning at its best? Start with what you eat. Foods like leafy greens, berries, nuts, and whole grains provide the fiber that good bacteria love. Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and kefir introduce probiotics, the live bacteria that help restore balance in your gut. Cutting back on sugar and processed foods starves the harmful microbes, giving the good ones a chance to flourish. Hydration is another key factor. Your gut needs water to maintain the mucosal lining that keeps toxins from leaking into your system. Sleep and stress management are just as crucial. Poor sleep disrupts the gut microbiome, while chronic stress can alter gut bacteria composition and even increase intestinal permeability. Another way of saying it can make your gut leakier. Simple habits like deep breathing, regular exercise, and mindfulness can help keep stress levels in check, which in turn supports a healthier gut and a clearer mind. The idea that your gut health could be the secret to mental clarity might sound strange at first, but the evidence is mounting. Your brain doesn't work in isolation. It's deeply connected to the rest of your body, and your gut plays a surprisingly powerful role in how sharp, focused, and emotionally balanced you feel. So the next time you're struggling with brain fog, ask yourself, what's going on in my gut? because the answer might just hold the key to a clearer, sharper, and more focused mind.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.